Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that's perfect for all your DIY apparel needs, the Siser EasyWeed Heat Transfer Vinyl Roll. We found this product online and added the link in the description so you can easily check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Siser EasyWeed Vinyl Roll? It's a heat transfer vinyl, or HTV, that measures 11.8 inches wide and 15 feet long. It comes in a clean white color, making it a versatile choice for a wide range of projects. This vinyl is designed to be compatible with various craft and professional cutters, including popular brands like Siser, Cricut, and Silhouette. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features that make Siser EasyWeed a top choice among crafters and professionals alike. First and foremost, it's perfect for DIY apparel. Whether you want to personalize t-shirts, hoodies, pants, hats, or bags, EasyWeed allows you to customize a wide variety of fabrics, including cotton, polyester, blends, and even leather. This means you can let your creativity run wild without worrying about fabric compatibility. One of the key advantages of EasyWeed is its sticky carrier backing, which makes weeding, removing the excess vinyl around your design, super simple, even with the smallest details. Weeding can often be a tedious task with other vinyls, but the EasyWeed simplifies this process greatly. Plus, it applies with just a 1-second tack for easy layering, and you can peel it hot, which means no waiting for it to cool down before you can remove the carrier. Another impressive aspect of EasyWeed is its 90-micron thickness. This thinness gives your designs a lightweight feel compared to thicker vinyls, ensuring that your finished products are comfortable to wear. But don't let its lightweight nature fool you. EasyWeed is incredibly durable, withstanding multiple washes without fading, cracking, or peeling. This durability ensures that your designs will last, making it a smart choice for both personal and professional projects. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you're someone who loves to craft, whether as a hobby or professionally, Siser EasyWeed is a must-have in your toolkit. It's perfect for small business owners who create customized apparel, as well as hobbyists looking to personalize clothing items for gifts or personal use. If you're just starting out in the world of crafting, EasyWeed is user-friendly enough to help you achieve impressive results without a steep learning curve. Let's discuss some practical use cases. Imagine you want to create a custom t-shirt for a family reunion. EasyWeed makes it easy to design and apply your personalized graphics. Or perhaps you'd like to start a small business selling custom hoodies for a local sports team. With EasyWeed, you can quickly create team apparel that stands up to wear and tear. The possibilities are endless. You can even use it for unique items like hats or tote bags, providing an incredible opportunity for creativity. Applying EasyWeed is straightforward. You can use a heat press set to 305 degrees Fahrenheit with medium pressure for about 15 seconds. If you don't have a heat press, you can still use a home iron set to the cotton or high setting. This flexibility makes it accessible for anyone, whether you're using professional equipment or just your household iron. In conclusion, the Siser EasyWeed Heat Transfer Vinyl Roll is a versatile and user-friendly option for anyone looking to personalize fabric items. Its durability, ease of use, and compatibility with various fabrics make it a top choice for both crafters and small business owners alike. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.